So you turned on your Ford F-150 and got a lovely little message. Trans fault. I've been there, and it's not exactly delivering the sort of morning inspiration people in those truck commercials talk about. You wonder, is my truck about to die? Trans fault basically means your transmission is having an existential crisis. The computer found something it didn't like. Could be a loose connection, software hiccup, severe wear, or even a worn-out sensor. There's a buffet of things that could go wrong. Ford systems love to throw messages for everything, but this one triggers dread. Why? Because transmission repairs can hit your wallet like a sledgehammer. Average rebuilds easily cost $2,000, $4,000, and that can spike higher if you neglect early warnings. The most common pain point besides expense is the mystery of it all. You want to know, is this a minor tech glitch, or are you about to lose gears on the highway? The warning doesn't tell you specifics, just trans fault and vibes. Step 1. Don't ignore it and hope it's shy. Go old school and check your transmission fluid level first. Low or dirty fluid is often the culprit, threatening to turn your transmission into ground beef. Pro tip, check fluid when it's hot, engine running, and on level ground. If fluid checks out, the next smart step is an OBD2 scan tool. Those little devices you can buy for $20 online or borrow from any decent parts store. Plug it in under your dash, turn the key, and see what codes pop up. The codes are your map. Most common scanner codes for F-150 transmission issues are P07X series, like P700, and each one points in a different direction: solenoid, sensor, wiring, or the control module itself. Write those codes down, don't trust your memory. If you're like me, and you live in Portland where the rain is as persistent as car problems, get ahead of this before it gets wetter and more expensive. When you see that warning, try to avoid heavy towing or off-roading until you fix it. Here's where the pain points stack up. A lot of shops will see trans fault and just want to swap the whole transmission. Pro move? Get a second opinion. Sometimes it's just a failed sensor or bad wiring, not a $4,000 death sentence. Don't let fear drive the repairs. If you're keeping score at home, about 50% of F-150 trans fault cases end up being minor. Sensors, solenoids, even loose connectors. The other half, might get ugly. The faster you act, the more likely you are to land on the cheap side of the coin flip. If your F-150 downshifts hard, hunts for gears, or you smell something burnt, those are big warning signs. Time is not on your side at that point. The truck might go into limp mode, locking you in one gear to save itself from further damage. Honestly, most Ford transmission issues just want attention, the way your dog whines at the door. It could be nothing, or it could be everything. Best practice: act fast, check fluid, scan codes, and get pro advice so you don't end up walking to work in the rain. My final word: don't panic, but don't wait either. Half the time, the fix is easier than you think. And if you're in Portland like me and your garage is full of bikes, you definitely want the truck as your backup plan.